everyone, it's Mr. Starling here with our golden ticket assembly, our final golden ticket assembly of this half term. Spring half term finishes today, indeed, on Friday the 14th of February. And we've had another amazing week of work, and these are our golden ticket winners for Key Stage 1 and early years. Let's see who it is. We start in Miss Keenan's class in nursery. This child always tries hard with their learning and they are always up for trying new things. Recently they've been working hard on phonics. They are a very creative child and they enjoy making pictures or playing with Play-Doh. I like playing with Play-Doh. Well done to Lily Rose. Lily Rose, I know all your family can be really proud of you. I used to teach your mum. I know she's going to be delighted, as will all your aunts and uncles as well, everyone else in your family. Well done, amazing. Let's move on to Miss Batch's class. This child is growing in confidence every day. They are working hard to be more independent when at school. This pupil plays well with friends and always wants to help others. This pupil listens well in all taught lessons, especially maths, and always gives things a go. Well done to Jennifer Ray. Well done, Jennifer. So many lovely things been written there about you. Trying so hard. Keep up the great work. Well done. Next, it's Mr. Ackerman's class. This week, Shark class golden ticket winner has impressed us recently with their hard work in phonics. They have been putting in lots of effort and it has been lovely watching their hard work pay off. They have been reading at home and we love how they really enjoy their learning and give things their best. This week's Shark class golden ticket winner is Alex. Well done, Alex. Oh, one of my favourite books there you've got there, The Highway Rat. Well done, Alex. Great stuff there from Mr. Ackerman saying about all the amazing things you've been doing. Keep up that hard work. On to Year 1, Miss Rogers. This child has been recognised by all adults in the classroom for working super hard in all subjects. This pupil has been trying their best with their writing and is becoming much more confident with English work. This child is a lovely friend to everyone in the class and always brightens everyone's day with a big smile on their face. Keep up the great work. Lily May, brilliant Lily May. That's, again, so many lovely things been written about you there, working so hard. I love the fact you put a smile and come in with a smile on your face. That brightens up everyone's day. Well done. The other Year 1 class, Miss Ruddock. This week's golden ticket winner has shown an amazing attitude towards their learning recently. They've been putting so much effort into their work and have been on the proud wall many times because of this. We see lots of children on the proud wall, but well done for getting on there many, many times. They have shown much better sitting on the carpet and are curious and interested in learning about all areas of the curriculum. Well done to Joba. Yes, another one I've also seen with a big smile on his face a lot, but well done, Joba. Excellent things again being written there, and also nice you're sitting a bit better on the carpet, because when you're sitting, being quiet and listening, you're learning, so that's really good. On to Year 2, Mrs. Cook's class with Miss Hubble. This child has been working really hard in class, impressing us recently with their own magnificent version of a Hansel and Gretel story. Their artwork too has been so detailed, careful and creative. Well done to Joshua. Well done, Joshua. Oh, lovely DT work you've also been doing, I can see. Your sister's going to be really proud of you in Year 5. I know when she finds out that you've won. Well done on all those lovely things you're doing and the hard work. Next to Mrs. Plume's class, this pupil has been working hard in DT. We've just seen some DT from Year 2 in the other slide. So this child invented their own vehicle and thought carefully about what it would need. This child made a fixed axle and made sure the vehicle worked properly. If I have a problem with my car, I will be coming to find you. Well done to Vita. Super work. Love the design work going on. We see the early stages and see your finished design. Well done. It worked properly, yeah, and it clearly did because we can see it. So well done, Vita. Great work. And to the SRB, this week's winner has been working hard in Seahorse class. They've been getting much better at remembering their phonics and are using them much more in their writing. Well done. They are spelling lots more words on their own. They are also using what they have learnt in life skills and help talk about and regulate their feelings, calming themselves down when they get upset. Really good. Well done to Henry. Mr. Hardman has clearly picked up so many things that you're doing so well. Keep up the good work and keep on doing those things. So, it's half term. Today, end of the day. You won't be back until Monday the 24th. That's 1 week on Monday. But remember, whilst you're off, there's still things you can be doing. So, this half term, get some exercise. Don't just sit at home all the time. I know it's cold. Go out for a walk. Do something. Ride on your bike. If your mum's going to the shop, dad's going to the shop, go with them to the shop. Walk to the shop. Just get some exercise. Really good for you. Read at least 5 times. Please carry on your reading at home. It's really important. When we think about those golden tickets, we think about who is doing their reading. So it's really important you carry on with that. And show great manners. Just continue to say your pleases and thank yous. Everyone really appreciates it when you show those good manners. So have a great half term. We'll see you after half term. Bye-bye now.